Here's a romantic mood poem only for you. Soft whispers in the moonlight night dance with shadows. A gentle delight, my darling. Raindrops on the roof. A soothing beat, a serenade, my dear. A serenade, my dear, for two hearts to meet. The fireplace. The fireplace arcades, my darling. A warm embrace. A heaven. A haven from the world. Busy space, my darling. World's busy space. Candles flicker. A tender glow. A love nest. A love nest where hearts can grow. In each other's eyes, my sweet, dear heart. A deep divine. A love so strong. A love so strong it touches the sky forever. Touches the sky always and forever, my dear heart. Entwined, a love so true, a love so true, a romantic night in your arms, a romantic night in your arms and hugging you tight. In the romantic night, my darling, dear heart, made just only for you. That night I was first met you in my dreams, and I was used my first kiss on your lips, my dear. I hope you enjoy it well. Let me know. I hope you enjoy it well, my hugging diet, my dear. Let me also enjoy it well. Let me know if you had liked me. Then come up with another poem. Thanks for